Edifier rarely get it wrong when it comes to audio. Yes people, what's good? Tech Jamo. Now we're out here again with another product from audio. Out here with another audio product from Edifier. I feel like Edifier have just gotten into a place where I know when it comes to audio, I'm safe. So I'm down to get this open and see Wagwan. Big shout out to Edifier and Bleep PR for sending me down a copy of these to have a little look at and have a little unbox. So let's get them unboxed and see what's really good. Now, the unboxing experience ain't the most premium thing man has seen in the world, especially not from Edifier, because things that I've unboxed from them in the past have been looking deep. But you know, it's not everyday flashy dashy, innit? So what you get here is you get the little earbuds, you get 4 different sizes, you get your USB-C cable, and you obviously get the headphones in their little charging case. You also get the little instruction manual thing, which obviously you guys can have a little pre of if you really want to. And you get this paperwork, what's it say? What does it actually say? Regulatory compliance. I don't know, bro. But this is what you're looking for right here, fam. These are the things, fam, and I can't lie. White headphones, AirPods, they've got that very clean look and feel to them, fam. Until you get your greasy chicken fingers over them. They look very nice. And let me just take out the earphone itself. Yeah, my sausage fingers found it hard to get in there still. But these do look wavy though. They kind of remind me of is it the AirPods Pro? The £250 ones from Apple. And yeah, these are a fraction of that price and they've got active noise cancellation. But anyway, yeah, no, they look good. They've got a USB-C cable on the bottom there, and you've also got the Edifier branding on the back of the headphone case. And there's also a little LED light here which opens or starts flashing when you open the case. I think that shows that it's in pairing mode or something. So I guess let's get it paired to the phone. In fact, let's do it right now, because other headphones from other brands in the past have had such a strenuous pairing process that man has had to cut it out the video completely. But if I do that, I'm doing you guys a disservice. So let me show you how easy or hard it's gonna be to pair these Edifier earbuds to my smartphone. That's all opened up and ting. Oh, what is that rainbow effect? That looks mad. Okay. But anyway, that's all opened up and ting. And I've opened the earbuds as well. So what I'll do right now is just go to scan. Let's just scan on the thing, and I think that's come up already. No, it hasn't. Nope, it has not. And the earbuds are open. So man had to press and hold this button on the back of the earbuds so that the light, you see that light on the front is flashing? Now, as soon as I press that, it came up with Edifier down here, fam. And if I click that now, it should just say connecting, and that's it. It's just asking if it wants to pair. Boom. That's it. Man is connected, just like that. So literally opened up these, pressed the button on the back, and was good to go. Now let me see if they work, if they disconnect when the case is shut. So it's connected right now. Let's see what it says there. Okay, it's disconnected. Cool, cool, cool. Right, now let's open the case again and see if they automatically reconnect just because the case is open. Okay, that's what man likes to see, fam. Don't have to take them out of the case or anything like that. You literally open the case, they connect to your phone, close the case, they disconnect. Things need to really be that simple, honestly. Alright, now let's get a little 2-2 sound test. Let's do the ear fit. This design of earphone, even though I love it, the little ear stalk design here, they hardly fit in my ears, fam. I mean, my right ear is all good, but the left ear now, it's always disrespectful, fam. Always disrespectful. But fam, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually struggling. My sausage fingers, yeah? I'm actually struggling to get the earbuds out the case. Alright, we're good. We're good. Little sound testing. But looking at this app, everything seems simplistic. You've got the battery levels of the left earphone and the right earphone. No battery level for the actual charging case itself for some reason. You've also got the options for noise reduction mode and ambient sound mode, so that will emphasize the sounds that are going on in your background and Noise reduction will obviously do the opposite and make everything quiet. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. Ambient sound has made things a bit louder. And they've got different levels of ambient sound as well. So you can go all the way up to level 3 of ambient sound, which makes everything sound, yeah. Now I can even hear the cars outside kind of thing. One thing with ambient sound though is it makes my voice sound very robotic. It sounds very strange. It's something that you can only understand if you're got the earphones on your head kind of thing, but my voice now sounds very robotic to me. I kind of don't like it, but I guess I can also hear what's going on around me, so that's all good. Got other options to go to here, but I think this is just like a shop, an Edifier shop where you can look at their other products and stuff. No EQ settings unfortunately, but yeah, you got options to change the ambient sound and noise reduction. I think there's also an option for tap settings, right? Okay, so you can set the actions for double tapping and triple tapping each earphone. And and you can do it for left and right. Okay, so really you can set up to 4 actions all together with these earphones. Anyway, I'm gonna go and come back real quick. Let me see what the sound is really saying. Oh, okay, guys, yo, these are not bad, you know. These are not bad. Fam, let's just talk about the case first of all. Now, I do like the fact that the case is nice and simple to operate. Obviously, you flick it open, the earphones automatically pair to your smartphone. You close it and you're good to go. Everything gets disconnected if the earphones are inside. You've got a little pairing button on the back now, which is very useful because with these earphones, usually they don't have the pairing button on the back. They just rely on it being open to put it into pairing mode, which means if somebody else wants to use the earphones or you want to use them on a different device, you have to turn off Bluetooth on the primary device and then turn on Bluetooth and put it into pairing mode on the secondary device. Whereas these, you can literally just hold the pairing button once the earphone case is open and put it into pairing mode so you can immediately pair with whichever device you want. Now, as for sound, I'm pretty much in a happy place. I already told you Edifier knock it out the park all the time. The sound signature on here is a more bass heavy thing. So for me, that's all good because Afro beats, bashment, hip hop, R&B, jazz, blues, neo soul, all them things there, I'm in my bag for the bass, yeah? Now, if you're not a bass person, or let's say you're listening to content like podcasts, classical, stuff like that where a lot of bass is not necessarily needed, the bass does tend to drown out the vocals in them specific situations. And it's not helped by the fact that the app itself does not come with an equalizer. Now, most phones these days, most applications in fact, most music applications do come with an equalizer. So you may have to equalize the bass down in order to enjoy that type of content a bit, you know, better kind of thing. But if you're just going in, you want Spotify, you want music, you want vibes, you want bass, this is where you need to be, fam. The treble and the mids, it's all good as well, but the bass is really what's shouting on these earphones. Now, battery, I can't comment on too much just yet because I've used them for about an hour, 2 hours, and yo, they've been kicking, fam. They've been fighting. Like, I haven't seen any battery degradation even in the application, fam. It says that both earphones are still at 100% battery, which either means that the battery indicator on the app is not doing its job, or that these have quite a decent battery life. But time will tell, and I'll definitely put it in the comments when I've got like the full review kind of thing. But yeah, man, apart from that, the only thing that's letting these down is the product's name, fam. Like, TWS330 NB. You can do better, fam. You're not Sony. You don't have to go down that path of making random numbers and making that your product name, fam. Nah, you don't have to. Look, give them a nice name. Let's get going. Yeah, well, fam, call these the Edifier Jamos. There we go. So people can jam to them, you understand? Anyway, thanks for watching. Big shout out to Edifier and Bleep PR for sending me some of these TWS330 NBs for review. The earphones sound dope at the end of the day. I'll put the link in the description section below and catch you guys in the next one.